Hey guys, Techi device here. Today, I review Keyless Pro. Please watch the video till the end. It's a virtual laser keyboard that is compact so it can fit easily into your pocket. It's compatible with almost any device, smartphones, notebook computers, PC, and laptops. Also, this device turns your smartphone or tablet into a computer and it runs on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. You don't need to touch the screen of your smartphone anymore because the keyboard can also be used as a mouse. Since it's a laser, the device also saves you a lot of time from tangled wires and cables. In addition to that, this device can also be used as a power bank for your smartphone. Keyless Pro reviews, product features. It's portable, compact, and very easy to set up. It's also easy to use and you can adjust the size and brightness. The device is designed for long battery usage. It offers users convenience and accuracy. The device comes with a built-in speaker and connects via Bluetooth. Keyless keyboard specifications. 79 modulation, GFSK channel. Product size, 78mm x 40mm x 20mm. Product weight, 60 grams. It has two color varieties, black and white. English, QWERTY, keyboard layout. Durable because of no moving parts. Full-size key pitch and shortcut keys for easy use. This keyboard Keyless Pro can adapt to almost all working environment. Uses an infrared laser transmitter. Keyless Pro reviews, benefits and advantages. Imagine if you're at a cafe, a train, a bus, etc., and you needed to complete a task. You don't want to be on the receiving end of this daunting situation, right? How about a device that lets you work with your smartphone and a flat surface? Because of its lightweight and portable design, you can carry this device anywhere you go and work anytime you want. You won't need to carry your laptop with you when you have this device and you can travel easier with little luggage. You can use this device even in seminars and conferences, and what's even more good news is that the battery lasts for at least 2 hours and it's rechargeable. Again, as stated in many Keyless Pro reviews, the device is compatible with iOS, Android, or Windows devices. Keyless Pro Pros. Works via Bluetooth. Works in any language. Long battery life. Compact and portable design. Superior durability. Can adapt to most of the working environment. Compatible with all mobile devices and computers. Keyless Pro cons. Short-range wireless communication. Not waterproof. Now you can buy this product. Please check description and click the product link. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon.